What's going on, guys? I'm back with another abandoned storage unit video, and guess what? I only paid $120 for this unit. Let's go ahead and let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. Let's go. Look, some shoes, boots, whole bunch of, man, hey man, this thing swinging, hitting me in the head. Put that up there. Got some boxes, some clothes. So look, I don't know exactly what's in it, but let's go ahead. We're gonna start. Let's start on, what side do I want to start? This side, this side. We're gonna start right here. So we got a luggage, and what's the brand on it? Does it have a brand? Okay, this is Swiss. So let's check it out. See if anything good is in it. Okay. Is this a pillow? It's a nice pillow, but that's not what I was hoping for in this luggage. All right. We're gonna use that as a table. So we have another luggage bag. Oh, hold up. Oh, y'all, check this out right here. Y'all, this is a Tumi one. Tumi luggage bag. That should be worth good money. But let's see if anything's in the pockets. So nothing's in that pocket. Let's open it up right here. See if anything is in here. And no, it's empty. Well, I know that's good money right there, but dang. Thought something could have been in it. Look at there, Tumi right there. Let's go, baby. So we have this little drawer thing. Got some change. How much is this? 50, 60, 65, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 86 cents. All right, cha-ching, baby. All right, we have, ooh, what are these? Beats? Okay. We got some Beats little headphones. Anything in here? Nope. Anything in, oh, we got tons of masks. What? A whole bunch of masks in here. All right. And then the last one, okay. Okay, what we got in here? Hair stuff, cologne, but it's empty. Yep, it's empty. It's all this empty, more empty cologne. But look, Saint Laurent cologne, but nothing's in it. Dang. We have a fan right here. If this was a heater, y'all already know Jasmine. She would have been like,
this is mine, I'ma take it.
We have this bag right here. Let's put this bag right here. What is the name of it? Unagi. All right. Never heard of that before. All right, and we have clothes in here. Nice. So, and one. That's not good. But these can go at the flea market if they're not really worth like a whole bunch of money. So look, polo. So that's not bad. That's not bad right there. Bonobos. That's not bad. More bonobos. Some underwear. Man, I hope this unit is not full with like nothing but underwear. Man, I hope not. Tulio, I've never heard of this brand before. If you guys have, let me know in the comments. So these are like swim shorts. Whole bunch of swim shorts. What kind of swim shorts are these? Now, swim shorts sell for good money, y'all. Ali Tahari. Is Gucci, man? Gucci or Fuji? Yeah, I don't think these are real Gucci shorts right here. All right, let's check out these boots right here. So we got a whole bunch of boots. Let me find a match first. So we have these boots right here. I know it's a little dark. And the reason why it's dark, man, because look, we got all these clothes hanging up right here. Like, so dude must have been tall because I can barely reach it. Like, look at this right here. Like, look at my hand. I can barely reach it. But let's check out these boots. What are these boots right here? Oh, Vibram bottoms. So that's a good sign. All right, let me put this one down. So, Chippewa. Oh yeah, I've heard of that brand before. And I think these are pretty expensive. Made in USA. Yep, these are definitely expensive. Yeah, I think we sold a pair before for like $200 or something like that. All right, man, keep hitting me in the head. We have some more boots right here. And look at the bottom of these boots. Dude, don't wear these out. What kind of boots are these? Okay, leather looks good though. Hold up, let me see if it has a name on the inside. Oh shoot. Yo, these say Gucci. You see that? Gucci. These are Gucci boots. Wow, y'all check this out. Pair of Gucci boots. Look at this. I don't know how much they're worth, but these are Gucci. And even though the bottoms are messed up, I can get these fixed probably like $50. Wow, this is crazy. Gucci, y'all. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt the video, guys, but listen, right quick. You guys have been begging us, been asking us all in the comments, when are you guys getting on Whatnot? When are you guys going to be selling all this stuff? So listen, guys, we are back on Whatnot, baby. Hey, let's go.
Let's go. So y'all make sure y'all tune in next Tuesday, February 20th. We're going to be on Whatnot from 8 to 9 o'clock, okay? What time, babe?
8 to 9 o'clock. p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah, but also, you guys, we have a special referral code. So if you've never been on Whatnot before, you want to tell them about it,
you can sign up, guys. So the link, the referral code will be down in the description.
Yeah.
And you look, if you haven't signed up before, you can sign up, but not just that, but you get some money to go toward your first purchase. You know what? You can actually purchase it from us if you want to, or anybody else on the Whatnot platform.
But ours will probably be the best. But just
make sure you sign up, guys. Make sure you sign up if you haven't already. We're gonna have shoes, clothes, hats, toys.
It's gonna be crazy,
electronic. We're gonna have it all, guys. Like a lot of different things that you guys have seen in our videos. We're gonna be having that on our Whatnot show.
We're bringing it right to you guys. So I mean, Whatnot is amazing because it's a live auction platform. So you'll be able to see us. We'll be able to do all the items. It'll go to the highest bidder. So we look forward to interacting with you. If you watch our videos, if you're subscribers, we thank y'all so much. But look, make sure y'all meet us next week, 8 to 9 o'clock on February.
And guess what? Everything is starting off at $1.
Hold up. Did we agree on
$1?
$1?
Did we? $1, guys. We started
$1, y'all. That's because we love y'all. $1. Let's go.
$1. And again, I only paid $120 for this unit right here. Okay. We have another pair of boots right here, guys. See these boots? Don't know what they are though. Hold up. I see it says made in USA. It says, look inside, Dainers Omaha. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Dainers Omaha right there. Dainers Omaha. So I don't know if these are worth much. It has some little scuff right here, but I can definitely fix that. That's nothing. But yeah, y'all let me know if it's worth anything. All right, we have some more boots right here. And we have some shoes right here. Look at these shoes right here, guys. Some Converse shoes. Yep, these aren't bad. Look, North Face boots. I know the clothing is just like tons of North Face clothing out there. So I don't know about the boots if they're, but these should sell for like, I'll say around like $50 to close to $80. All right, let's see what else. Okay, we got another. Oh shoot. Yo, y'all, this is crazy. I'm not gonna even say that. I'm gonna let y'all see it. Look, LV, Louis Vuitton, y'all. Check out these loafers right here, guys. Dang. Just look at the bottoms, make sure the bottoms are good. Yep, they're not too bad. Wow, $120. And guys, this right here will pay for the unit back double. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. All right, what is this right here? It says honey incense. Okay, so let's do some honey incense. Don't know. Oh my goodness. Dude is doing some illegal stuff in here. What in the heck? Bro got needles and stuff. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. I gotta make sure I'm careful. All right, he has an Allbirds shirt right here. Wow, that's nice. Allbirds. I didn't even know they made clothing like that. What is this under here? Oh, we have is this an iPhone? Oh, we have 2 iPhones right here. Check this out, guys. 2 iPhones. Don't know what version because I'm Team Android. The best, guys. I feel sorry sometimes for, you know, Apple users and stuff, but Team Android. So we got 2 iPhones right here. Wow, it's nice. And then we have this box. And this box looks like it's just curtains. Yeah, it's just curtains in this box right here. Let's see if anything's under the box. Nope. Here we go right here. So these are needles. All right, we have a pair of Lululemon shorts. Look at that, Lululemon, baby. So these should be worth something. These are men Lululemon shorts. So yeah, not bad. All right, let's get these clothes down, man. These are punching me in the face and everything. How do you get it down? Oh, there we go. There we go. Got this down. This is a Nike Dri-FIT vest. Not bad. Nike Dri-FIT vest right here. Okay, let's go. Y'all see, check the pockets. Just check the pockets. I don't feel nothing. See, I don't have on my gloves. It's like puncture proof, so I'm not just gonna be grabbing at them because he got needles in here. Ooh, we got a trench coat right here. Nice, and it's really nice too. Macy's. Okay. Yeah, this isn't a bad looking trench coat right here, y'all. This is straight. The brand is called Talia. Never heard of that before. If you guys have, definitely let me know. All right, I got all of those clothes down. It took me about 10 minutes because I had to try to stand up on my tippy toes and get it down. But look, guys, we got all the clothes down, and this is what we got. Got some Ralph Lauren men dress pants. We have, I think this is vintage, Neiman Marcus. I think that's a vintage tag. We have this long trench coat right here, and the brand is, have y'all ever heard of this before? GGG clothing or clothes? I've never heard of that brand before. So I mean, the quality of it is like really good. It's like feels like it's wool. We have a made in Vietnam weatherproof jacket. Ah, look, got a little hole right there. Dang, man. All right, what is this? Oh, Joseph & Banks little blazer. All right, we have another Joseph A. Banks with Head. That's the brand, Head. Don't know if it's vintage or not, but this is definitely a unique polo shirt. All right, we have some pants. Don't know the brand of it yet. What is this? Performance wool. All right, but what is the brand? Is that the brand? Performance wool, R51, Performance wool. These are nice though. Oh man, but dude, what are you doing? What were you doing in your pants, dude? Put holes where the knees are at? Come on, man, come on. Y'all look, we got a pair of Versace jeans right here. Man, these are nice, y'all. Look at this. Hey, look, 100% authentic too. Wow, these are nice. Oh, look at this. This is a FUBU nightgown. Wow, FUBU in the house, baby. Look at that, FUBU. So we have a box right here. Let's pull this box out if we can. It looks like it's connected. Got some weight to it. Ugh. We have some shorts right here, Scotch and soda. Oh, these are pants. Scotch and soda. I've heard of that before. Oh, look at these overalls, y'all. Check out these overalls. These are super cool right here. What's the brand though? Xena. See that? Xena. Never heard of that brand before, but it might be worth some good money. What is this? Oh, Armani. Some more Armani pants right here. Oh, I thought that was some silver. I was like, man, hold up. Ooh, Dolce & Gabbana. Hey, y'all, check out the Dolce & Gabbana jeans right here. Dang, these are nice. Yo, he has some quality stuff in here for real. All right, we have some hats right here. We have a, don't know what that is. Rage. Underground ATL. Ooh, don't know what that is. What is this? This is Gorin Brothers, made in Greece. We have a little hat. Don't know the name of it. What is this? Cap America, made in the USA. Bentley, baby. We have a Braves hat right here. And then we have a Jin Chan's. Anybody heard of Jin Chan's? Oh, it's a restaurant. All right, so it looks like his paperwork is in here. Check it out.
Hey guys, as I'm looking through this box, I find not just his ID, but I also found his social security card. So I'm definitely going to return it back to the front desk, but I looked him up and this guy actually is locked up right now. So it's just crazy how a lot of these units I'm buying right now, like a lot of people are just locked up and they can't pay on their unit. But he spent a lot of money on a lot of stuff in this unit. So let's go ahead and get back to the video.
All right, we have a Gucci receipt. Then he paid $1,150 for this right here. This is crazy. For the luggage bag. But the luggage bag is not in here. Spent some money. We have a bunch of cards, but I'm sure nothing is. Yep, nothing's in it. Just empty cards. Got a whole bunch of paperwork in here. And I'll definitely go through this paperwork later on. Let's see this box. All right, we have 2 items in this box. Oh, look. Armani. Another pair of Armani jeans. We have a hat right here. What kind of hat is this? Youngin. Never heard of that before. All right, we got clothes right here. More jeans. G-Star Raw. So he has some, whoa, what in the, y'all check these out. What in the world? What type of pants are these, man? Y'all, he made these pants. Oh, I don't know. But these look very, very unique. Very, very unique. Some more Armani jeans right here. Man, dude loves him some Armani. Oh, here we go. Check this out, guys. Let's go, baby. That's right, Gucci. And it says skinny. Saw these shorts? What in the world? And the Gucci tag is right here too. So these are definitely authentic. What in the world? Were these pants or these used to be? I don't know. But look, got Gucci right here. My foot hitting. Oh, it's some shoes in here. What type of shoes are these? Oh, these are Bally, but dang it. Look at this. Oh man, come on. Your clothes on. Here's the other shoe. But this one's fine. It's just the other one. Dang, and these are nice. All right, guys. That's it, guys. Look, $120. And I should definitely make more than 120. Should make my money back. But listen, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. And I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.